everyone, welcome to back the channel. Auto Rush. The battlefield has always evolved with technology, tactics, and geopolitical needs. In 2025, few armored vehicles symbolize the enduring legacy and evolution of mechanized infantry support as clearly as the BMP-2. Known formally as the Boyevaya Mashina Pekhoty, or infantry fighting vehicle, the BMP-2 represents a time-tested blend of mobility, firepower, and armor, refined further in its 2025 iteration to meet the modern combat environment. Originally designed by the Soviet Union in the late 1970s as an upgrade over the BMP-1, the BMP-2 quickly became a cornerstone of mechanized infantry forces not only in Russia but in numerous armed forces across the globe. Fast forward to 2025, and we see the BMP-2 still holding its ground, not as a relic, but as a relevant and upgradable platform in asymmetric warfare and conventional engagements alike. What makes the 2025 BMP-2 stand out isn't just its lineage. It's the comprehensive upgrades that have been applied to keep it modern. The vehicle's chassis remains familiar, but beneath the surface, it houses improved armor, updated electronics, and weapons systems that bring this aging warhorse into the 21st century battlefield with credibility. The BMP-2 has always been appreciated for its low silhouette, amphibious capabilities, and ability to provide direct fire support while transporting infantry under armor. In its latest upgrade, engineers have retained the basic shape and proportions to maintain logistical compatibility and training familiarity, but with key enhancements to survivability and firepower. Let's talk about armor. Originally, the BMP-2 wasn't designed to withstand heavy direct fire, particularly from anti-tank weapons. In 2025, that vulnerability has been addressed with modular armor plating, reactive armor blocks, and even active protection systems, depending on the configuration. Countries like India and Russia, which operate large fleets of BMP-2s, have integrated systems like ERA, explosive reactive armor, on the turret and sides. This reduces the threat from RPGs and ATGMs significantly. Some models even feature cage armor or slat armor to deflect or prematurely detonate shaped charges before they can penetrate the hull. While this doesn't make the BMP-2 invulnerable, it increases its survivability in urban and high-threat environments. The vehicle's frontal armor remains strong enough to resist small arms and shrapnel, with the added layers improving resistance without compromising too much on mobility. Firepower is where the BMP-2 has historically punched above its weight. Its signature 30mm 2A42 autocannon, mounted in a two-man turret, remains the core of its offensive capabilities. With selectable fire rates and high versatility, this cannon can engage infantry, light armored vehicles, helicopters, and fortified positions. In 2025, the cannon has been retained but enhanced with modern targeting systems, thermal imagers, and stabilized gun control. The BMP-2's gunner can now utilize multi-spectral sights, integrated laser rangefinders, and night vision systems, allowing effective targeting in all weather and lighting conditions. Target tracking has been enhanced with digital fire control systems, often seen in upgrades performed by nations like India under its Sarath modernization program. The result: a more lethal, precise, and responsive combat platform. In addition to the autocannon, the BMP-2 carries a coaxial 7.62mm PKT machine gun and an anti-tank missile launcher, traditionally mounted with either Konkurs or Fago ATGMs. In the 2025 model, there's increased modularity in this regard. Operators can choose between newer missile systems like the Cornet or even third